Come and join us for Boston International Summer Intensive 2012, July 30th to August 17th. It's going to take place in a campus of Boston University. We're very excited to announce that we're going to be at the special studios, and it's going to be a very comfortable atmosphere. We have kids all over the world coming. We'll have interest from Amsterdam, Israel, Russia. Last year we had a smaller program, and this year we're extending and opening the doors, and really wanted to show the students what it is, teaching them about our profession, what it is ahead of them, what challenges they're facing and what difficulties, and at the same time we want them to have fun. We'll have swimming pool, we'll have beach activities, and we're going to have museums, Isabella Garden and Fine Arts Museum, and just feel historical place that Boston is. We're going to have a daily routine which is going to consist with 30 minutes stretches, a technique class for an hour and a half. Then it's going to be definitely every day point work. And after break, kids are going to have lunch, and after break we're going to have variations. And we're hoping to have pas de deux class, so we're going to add that hopefully to this year, to our summer program. It's really wonderful that they're going to enjoy the opportunity of excellent guest coaches. We're going to have Mika Nissen, an artistic director of the Boston Ballet, teaching the master class, Anne-Marie Holmes, international stager, Didi Miles, director of Orlando Ballet. She is going to be joining our guest faculty, Valentina Kozlova, artistic director of Boston International Ballet Competition. We're also going to have an amazing hip-hop jazz teacher coming from Belgium, Chris de Jonge. So I've been working with him for the past 4 years, and he's going to also enjoy having end of the day fun doing hip-hop and different stretches activity. We're going to have Chaka Skigard, former principal dancer with New York City Ballet. Feel free to call us and ask any questions. You can go on our line, www.coltonballetacademy.com, or call us at 617-901-3792. We'll be happy to answer all of your questions and really welcome you.